So even though I've never seen it, his birth paper, I'm told, says Carlton Grant, but the world knows him as Spragga Benz, an icon of the local dancehall culture since the early 90s. He joins us now to tell us what he's up to. He's more than an artist, he's an actor. Plenty of things the man does. Spragga Benz, morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica, sir. Long time I don't see you. All is well?
Blessed morning, Neville. All is well. Give thanks.
Yep. I was asking before we came on, I don't think you heard me. This is your third movie?
Yeah, technically, yeah.
All right, tell me quickly about it.
Well, it's called Second Chance. It's based off a true story, and it's about a youth who kind of was qualified to do well and was meeting a lot of obstacles because of, the year and society, get caught up in the wrong company in a way, down the wrong road. And, see what the consequences could have been. Ask the father for a chance to do right and got the chance, and it was about the second chance doing right. Yeah. So it's not Shatters.
Very different from Shatters.
Very different from Shatters, more positive.
How easy is this for you? Because as I said earlier, you're a dancehall man, and I'm not as the third movie, so you've done it before. But how easy is it for you? Or is it anything like when you perform with a mic in front of a crowd, or no?
It's different, because this time we really have to try act. Because the first movie that I was just playing myself, was just being Spragga Benz performing on a show.
Yeah.
And the next movie was Shattered, where we just make it up as we go along and be natural. And then this one now actually had a script we have to follow more, and try to bring out emotions and all them kind of things there. So this one is different from an extended music video.
Difficult or easy?
Kind of difficult-ish for me, but I think I got through.
So when you look back at it now, you sit down and say, yeah man, me all right, or were you a little disappointed that you didn't get somebody?
No, when we look back at it now, we see what we can improve, but feel all right. And the other directors, them really happy with the performance. So.
What about the music?
Right. Music, I have an album coming out as well. It's called Once Upon a Time in Dunkirk. And, it has some good features on it. Bounty Killer being the first single after it. That's a track called Remember to Pray. And also features from Beres Hammond, from Shined, who is my real, my icon. And we have Morgan's Heritage on it, Future Fambo, a new singer by the name of Zena. And it's produced by myself and really from A-Team Productions. So it's more, it's the old school dancehall flavor, the new twist for now with a more of a cultural drive.
Yeah, if you could only do one, what would you do? Perform or act? Well, it's performance.
Music. Definitely. Yeah, music. Because for music now I can express my own thoughts. When acting, most of the time I follow a script.
Yeah.
Music, just express,
Yeah,
myself.
you said when you watched back the movie, you saw where you could improve. What about your music? Because you've been around for a long time. Are you where you want to be? Or you still think you can get better? And you still think you can do different things?
Every day is a learning process for me as far as music, because I didn't start out with official music knowledge of keys and notes and melodies and all these things. I was just doing the raw thing from raw talent. So every day I kind of learn a little bit more about harmonies, about notes, about stuff like that. So it's always a learning process for me. Yeah. I still can improve more, but I'm good.
I know before that if I heard a Spragga Benz song, I don't know it's Spragga Benz. If I hear a Spragga Benz song, no, I know it's Spragga Benz. Or you change up your thing.
Well, the vocal that'll still be the same, but it's not gonna be that key flinging all about the place somewhere. Night a bit more direct.
Plenty collabs.
Not with the art for your ears, though. I don't think so.
Plenty collabs with the album, obviously.
Well, not plenty, but 4 vital ones that I really wanted, because I've never recorded with Beres Hammond before. Now Morgan's Heritage. Now Shined, who is definitely one of my greatest inspirations from that song Strive. Yeah. I always been following Shined. Yeah. So it was a great joy for me to really get him on this album.
When we're going to see the movie?
The movie, we have finished the last editing script now, the last editing scene. So It'll be ready. It'll be finished before the end of the year, but might be released early next year.
Fantastic. And the album?
Same, because we're in the mixing mastering process now. So I do both things at the same time.
Regin, fantastic to see you. We have to run to news, but fantastic to see you and waiting to see the movie, waiting to hear the album. So just stay safe, Regin. God bless. Look after yourself and keep in touch with us, yeah?
Blessed love.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Oh, well, give thanks, Stephen.
Spragga Benz with us this morning. But we're going to leave you for the second edition of News in 5. It comes up right after this.